In Iris, you can export any type of item, either individually or as a collection. Let's start by looking at how to export a set of items. From the home page, click on the desired collection to access the group you want to export. You can apply filters to refine your search. For example, you might choose to display all publications published between 2020 and 2025. To export this set of publications, simply click on Export, then select the type of items to export. In our case, publications. You will then be taken to the Item Export Process Launcher. First, select the output file format, then choose the export mode, meaning whether you want to export all items or only a selection from your search results. If you choose to export only a selection, you will need to check the items you wish to keep one by one. Once this is done, click the Export button to download your file. Now, let's see how to export your list of linked publications. To do this, type the first and last name associated with your researcher profile into the search bar. Then select your profile under Linked Person. The page will refresh with the publications linked to your profile. Click on Export, then on Publications, and repeat the steps described above. Please note that an export from your workspace only includes the records you have created, not those to which you are simply linked. Finally, it is also possible to export an individual item. Start by searching for the item you are interested in, then click on the corresponding result. You will be redirected to the item's detail page. Click on Export, then select the output file format. Click Export again. A download message will then appear on your screen. Once the download is complete, click on the file name to open it in the format you selected.